ready to go up there.
Yeah. Stay on trail.
Mm-hmm.
Just an old fool set in my way. Set in my way.
It's the quickest way to get a trail access shut down by
Oh, yeah.
tearing up the terrain.
Yep.
I'll be loving you. My 9 days, knowing there ain't a way.
This is a test to see if I can do it without blockers. So, it says you can turn right here.
I wouldn't try it.
Oh, it's this way. Okay.
It's straight down if you turn right. That's why I'm laughing.
I'll be loving you. Just an old fool set in my way. Set in my way.
I'm not worried about getting stuck on the way up. I can just stick it in reverse and I know we can get back down.
Move that straight up. We gotta go that way. What? Can we get up that way?
Probably could.
Looks like a start, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Turn the camera on.
No one gets if we're by ourselves, but that's soft sand too. No.
Okay.
I dug it in. Oh, I don't have the shovel with you.
Oh shit.
I took the toolbox out. It's got all the toys in it. Yay!
Want to go back and do it again? I should have got a photo of that.
We did.
Oh, are you filming?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Excellent.
I was like, oh, I didn't have the lockers on. Don't stop now.
Won't be the same if you ever know my name. I'll be loving you. Morning sun, that's the way to want.
We'll give Santa the right of way.
I'll be loving you. I'll be loving you until my dying day. I'll be loving you, just an old fool set in my way.
That's
Thank you.
What are the chances?